Hi, it's Michelle and everybody else, Steve, Rebecca, and Lenny from 97Z OK. The bra auction is tomorrow night, so the firefighters are going to have probably some trouble getting their bras on in preparation for the live auction. So we thought it'd be fun, I don't know, to play around with getting your bras off. Rebecca and I didn't think it was appropriate if we played.
Can I just say, when they said it was a taking off bra contest, I honestly thought it was going to see which one of us could take their bras off the fastest, like Joey from Friends, and it's off. As I had this one. I'm old school. Wham! One hand, done. But look. Look at that.
So, they're suited up.
Throw me some beads.
Throw me some beads.
And now we're going to see
Throw me an augmentation.
the underwire coming in you.
I was going to say, this is really gutty.
Now you know how we feel each and every day.
Yeah, like you wear one this big.
No.
All right.
I wish.
So, as Rebecca told us earlier, it's a skill to be able to take your bra off and pull it out of your sleeve. You don't learn how to do that when you're like 12. It takes a while.
It does. It's a talent.
Therefore, these guys do not know how to do it, probably.
I have no idea how to do this
So,
whatsoever.
we're going to see who can do it fastest. Okay. So, that's not how you start.
It's just, I'm feeling kind of deflated.
You should be feeling inflated. I don't know what's wrong with you.
No,
It might be
there's
true.
some pushiness in here, you know. Like,
It might be true what they say, though, if we had a pair of these of our own.
I would,
Because
yeah.
I'm intrigued by how all of this feels, and I don't know if I like it.
I don't know, it feels,
No.
it's hurting the rib cage a little bit. It's not, I'm just saying.
Well,
We can
if
do
you
it
quit
every
talking, you can take it off.
Yes, I know, right?
All right.
Okay,
So how's this going to start here?
If, like women do all the time in the car, they take these things off, and every time it happens, you feel like, oh, a boob's gonna make a personal appearance. I know it, and it never happens.
Probably not today.
All right, well, good
Now
luck.
the boobs have already made the personal appearance here. All right, ready?
Okay. All right, who's going to do
Oh,
this? You gonna
ready?
count
On your mark, get set, go.
I only hooked them once.
Should we give them like some tips?
Look at them.
I think you want to unsnap with your non-dominant hand.
Okay. All right, there we go.
Then you got to put one hand in your. All right.
Slow down. Slow down.
Bend your elbows. No, you're doing it wrong.
How am I doing it wrong?
Because you're not supposed to see it.
All right, fine. But it was at the bottom of my shirt. I about hurt my shoulder.
You
just
got
now
to put
doing
that
it.
arm in. You're going to have to use your other arm.
Oh, good.
All right, fine.
I've been doing this long enough.
For the last minute and a half.
Yay!
Foul.
You keep going because he took it out from under.
I mean, and he's got a sweatshirt
How
on.
do you mean you take it out
You
from
gotta take it out through your sleeve.